Hey, I just wanted to show a little headlight setup I have for my Volt Bike Yukon 750. So I bought these two headlights off Amazon that are meant for dirt bikes or motorbikes, and they run on 12 volt to 24 volt power. So what I did was grabbed an old bike seat post and just drilled a hole through it and bolted it through my fork there. Attached the headlights, and then I wired them up. It actually came with this switch right here too. And to power it all, I have this Black & Decker weed whacker battery. So that's a 20 volt battery, and I have a harness for it with just the two wires coming out of there. So I just connected everything together, soldered it up, runs along the frame here into the headlights. So I can just pop this off and use it for my weed whacker if I need to still, and charge it up. Just clips right on there. And I'll take you out and show you how well the lights work. Alright, so it has three settings. So here's high, here's low, and here's strobe, which I don't think I would use, but so yeah, the amount of light is crazy. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.